In this lesson we're going to be using an ostinato with a bass drum playing a shuffle. So just like you play a shuffle with the right hand on the hi-hat, which would be the first and last triplet, which is this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. We're now playing that with the bass drum. So 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. So once you understand what the bass drum part is, we're now going to really get lots of different patterns over the top of it. So you can really improvise with different drum grooves over this constant bass drum pattern, and then also with some stuff around the kit. So we really get to play fills and beats over the bass drum without it changing. So the bass drum will always be boom, 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 boom. The first one to learn is just to play the bass drum in unison with the right hand, and that's this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. Then once you've got that, you can then add the snare drum on the 2 and 4, and that gives you the full-time shuffle with the bass drum playing the shuffle as well. That sounds like this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, boom. Okay, that's the first pattern to learn. Once you've got that, we can move on to some others. Let's take that one, put it on the kit, and see what it sounds like. Now this next pattern plays in unison with the bass drum and the hi-hat, again playing the shuffle. So the boom, 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 which is the first and the last triplet of an 8th-note triplet. So 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. And then all we're going to do is ghost some notes. So we're going to ghost a note in the middle of the hi-hat, and we're also going to ghost a note directly after the backbeat. So where you get the backbeat on the 2 and 4, we're going to ghost note the note after it. And that gives it a lovely feel. Let's first break down the hand pattern nice and slowly so you can hear the ghost notes and the backbeat. It sounds like this. Now let's put the whole thing together with the bass drum. It sounds like this. This pattern has a quarter note on the hi-hat, so the hi-hat's just going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4 against the first and third note of the 8th note triplet on the bass drum. Boom, 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 boom. Then we add the snare on the 2 and 4. Boom, boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba. And once you're comfortable with that basic pattern, then we duplicate what the bass drum is doing with the snare drum, but all in ghost notes except for the 2 and 4. So that's like this: boom, boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba. Now let's add the quarter note on the hi-hat and give us the whole groove. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Okay, let's put this one on the kit and see what it sounds like. In this pattern we're going to play unison, so both the bass drum, the hi-hat and the snare drum are all playing the same ostinato, which is boom, 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 da, 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 da. That's the first and third note of each triplet: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4. Now let's play the pattern with the right hand on the stone. Well, that could be the ride or the hi-hat, and we'll put the backbeat on the pad, and that sounds like this. I'll sing the bass drum. It sounds like this: boom, boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba. Boom, boom, ba, boom, 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 ba. Notice how I'm really pulling out that backbeat. The unisons are very tight and together. There's no flamming. The notes are really together. And the backbeat is really nice and solid. Let's put that on the ride on the kit now and really make that fire along with the groove. Works really well sort of for blues shuffles. Really nice feel. It's very difficult to get with a really nice coherent feel where all the notes are very tight and driving. This next pattern still keeps the bass drum on that ostinato because that's what all these patterns are going to have. So we've got boom, 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 boom. Again, that nice rolling triplet pattern as the foundation. But we're going to do alternate stickings with the hand. So right, left, 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 right. And as we do that, we'll put both of the hands on the hi-hat and just coming down with the left hand for the snare drum as the backbeat. And that sounds like this. And if we add the bass drum to it, and I'll sing the bass drum part while I play the hand part, this is what the whole pattern is. Boom, boom, ba, boom, 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 boom. Let's put this on the kit and really try and make this one groove along nicely. On this next pattern, we're going to do alternating sticking again in the triplet. That's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. The bass drum's going to be playing that ostinato, boom, 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 boom. That constant groove, and then we're going to basically this time put the right hand on the hi-hat and the left hand on the snare drum. So I'll play the rock as the hi-hat, and the left hand will go on the pad. And that sounds like this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 3 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, boom, boom, ba, boom, boom. Boom ba, boom boom, 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 boom ba, boom boom. Okay, let's take this one, put it on the kit, and see how this one feels. The next thing to do is to try and play some rolling eighth notes on the snare drum and round the kit. Well, you keep that ostinato, the boom, 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 on the bass drum all the time. What this does is lets you go from the basic drum beats we are learning to some certain fill-ins that you'll then be able to play randomly around the kit, but still keep the driving bass drum and the momentum going from underneath. Really useful when you're playing this groove, that you don't lose the bass drum when you go to your fill-ins. Let's put this on the kit now, and I'll play around with it a bit, round the toms and on the snare, so you can really see what this sounds like and how you can develop some feelings. Now this next pattern is quite a tricky one because the hi-hat's going to be on the offbeat. So it's going to be on the 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. Against the bass drum going boom, 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 boom on the ostinato. Again, that first and third note that just never stops going with the bass drum, that rolling feel. Let me play this one to you now. I'll count it in so you can really see how it feels, not too quickly. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. And then always you're playing that constant bass drum underneath. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put this one on the kit and give it a go. Quite a challenging groove, this. Now on this final pattern, we're going to do more of a sticking pattern, but still keeping that really nice accent on the 2 and 4, and that rolling bass drum on the ostinato, the boom, 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 that first and third note of every triplet, 8th note triplet that is. And the sticking pattern is going to be right, left, right, left, right, 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 right. The next thing to do is to pull out the 2 and 4 to give you the backbeat and keep the same sticking, and that sounds like this. Right, left, right, left, right, 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 right. The next thing to do is add the bass drum underneath, so you're playing that hand pattern and you add the bass drum. Now it's quite difficult to hear the kick drum here because obviously I haven't got a pedal or a bass drum. So let's put it on the kit and then you'll really hear how this groove sounds. end, all we're trying to do here is give you the basic tools so you can separate the top of your body from this constant ostinato with the bass drum. So once we've got that boom, 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 engraved into our system, engraved into your brain, so it's just there and you don't have to think about it. You'll have the freedom to play all sorts of drum beats over the top and really solo around the kit and use all the parts of the kit going freely from drum beats to grooves and soloing without ever losing that constant flow and that real driving bass drum. And it's like having some little guy accompanying you with this bass drum pattern while you can create some ideas over the top. I hope you get to learn to play all these patterns and then see how creative you can be with playing your own style of fills and drum beats over this bass drum part.